is a problem because of social media. Not all that glitters are good. Be careful. What you read in the social media, you must understand very well. And it is not everything you read there that is true. It's good because it's positive side and negative side. What they call it the invisible. Power of internet is social media. As good as it is, it has its bad side, which you must not allow to ruin your house. Your husband should be your conflict in marriage. And when you want to minimize conflicts, you try to address those issues that normally bring about conflict. And I will try to analyze some of them for you, very few. The major one, communication. You must always communicate. Don't avoid each other. When you have issues to discuss, please trash it, discuss it. Don't be afraid. Talk about it. Nothing you cannot discuss.